This is chapter first, and the name of this chapter is large number. Okay, now move to second practice time, page number 4, and this is fourth part of your class. Okay, today's topic is standard form. Standard form, as you all knows, that in the standard form you have to write down the answer with the help of commas. If your commas are fixed in a proper way, then it is very easy to tell that number in words. If commas are not in a proper condition, then your answer will be wrong. And the definition of standard form. So, when we write any number in figure, it is known as the standard form. When we write any number 100, 900, 1,000, 3,26,000, any number, whatever the number, that is mean a standard form. Okay, for example, the standard form of 7,00,00,000 plus 60,00,000 plus 8,00,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. So first of all, we check commas. So in first number there are 3 commas, and after third comma single digit, and we all know in 3 commas lakhs period, crores period. So 2 crores, 7 crores, because 7 in crores period. Okay, and in crores period 2 place value, that is crores place value and 10 crore place value. So 7 in crores place value. So 7 crore plus 60,00,000. So after 2 commas, after second comma 2 digit, that is 60. And we all knows in 2 commas means third period. How many periods? 3 periods, and third period is lakhs period. So 60 lakhs plus 8,00,000 means again here 2 commas, and after second comma single digit. Here again 2 commas means 3 periods, and third period is lakhs period. So 8 lakhs means 60 lakhs plus 8 lakhs, 68 lakhs. Okay, so 7 crore 68 lakhs means 7,68 comma. Now lakhs period is also over. Which period is start? 1000 period. So in 1000 period is 60,000. Here is single comma. Single comma means 2 periods, and 2 period means 1000 period. And how many digits after 1 comma 2 digits means 60,000 plus 2,000. Here is also 1 comma only. And how many digit after 1 comma? 1 digit. Okay, and yes, in 1 comma how many periods? 2 periods, and second period is 1000 period. So this is 2000, means 60,000 plus 2000 is 62,000. So 7 comma 68 comma 62 comma. Now 1000 period is also over. Now which period is start? Ones period. It started with 100. 500 plus 20 plus 4. So see, 500 plus 20, 500 plus 20 plus 4, 524. Okay, 500 plus 20, because 500 plus 20 plus 4, so 500 plus 20 plus 4, this is 524. So the correct answer is 7 comma 68 comma 62 comma 524. And how we can read it? 7 crore 68 lakhs 62,524, like this, okay. So now you all understand. Very good. Now we start practice time. Okay, this is my practice time 2. In this practice time, I will tell other questions. Okay, and you all knows this is the second part of this practice time, and this is the third question of this practice time. Question is, write the following in the standard form. You have to write the answer in the standard form. In this question, 5 part, and I will describe 3 part here, or I will solve 3 part and rest 2 part in your activity time. Okay, so first part, that is the A part. 90 comma 00 comma 000 plus 6 comma 00 comma 000 plus 80 comma 000 plus 9 comma 000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 7. This is the question, and how we can solve this types of question in a very quick manner. How? Yes, a very easy. How? You can see only 2 things. Yes, first is commas, and with the help of commas, periods. Okay, so the first number of this question is 90 comma 00 comma 000. So how many commas? 2 commas. 2 commas means 3 period, and third period is lakhs period. So you know that this is lakhs number, but how many lakhs? That you find out with the help of second comma. After second commas, how many digits? 2 digits. Means in lakhs period, 2 digits. 2 digit means, yes, lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. Because in lakhs period also only 2 digits, 2 place values. Okay, so this is 90 lakhs. Clear it? No confusion? Now second number is 6 comma 00 comma 000. In this number also 2 comma and 2 commas again. In after second comma, how many digits? Single digit. And you all knows in a number, if in a number 2 digits, 2 commas means 3 periods, and third period is lakhs period. And you all knows after second comma single digit means in lakhs period single digit is lakhs digit means 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs equals to 96 lakhs. Okay, now plus 80,000. So how many commas? Single comma. And after single commas, how many digits? 2 digits. And in 1 comma means how many periods? 2 periods. So second period is 1000 period. And in 1000 period also, how many place values? 2 place values. So this number is 80,000. Okay, now plus 9,000. So this is also single comma number, and after single comma 1 digit means this is also 1000 period, and here is single digit means 9,000, means 80,000 plus 9,000 equals to 89,000. So 96 comma 89 comma, now 200 plus 10 plus 7 equals to 200 plus 10 plus 7, yes, 217. How? See, 200 plus 10 equals to 210 plus 7, 217. So the correct answer of this part is 96 comma 89 comma 217. So you all understand how to solve such types of questions in a very quick manner? Very good. Now I will explain another part. This is the B part of this third question. So B part is 2 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 plus 80 comma 00 comma 000 plus 3 comma 00 comma 000 plus 10 comma 000 plus 8 comma 000 plus 700 plus 60. So this is the question. This is the question. So how you solve it? How you solve it? Very easy. First you see the first number. So in first number, how many commas? Number is 2 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 means 3 commas. 3 commas means 4 period, and fourth period is crores period. So how many digit after third comma? Single digit. Single digit means 2 crores, because upside is fourth one is crore period means 2 crores. Clear it? So 2 crores. 2 comma. Now next number 80 comma 00 comma 000. So how many commas? 2 commas. And after second commas, how many digits? 2 digits. First you clear it. Now second thing, if 2 commas in a number, then how many periods? 3 periods. Third period is lakhs period, and here is 2 digits. After second commas, 2 digits. So means 80 lakhs. Clear it? So 2 comma 80. 2 crores 80 lakhs. Now third number is 3 comma 00 comma 000. In this number also 2 commas, and after second comma single digit. And you all knows in a number, if 2 commas means lakhs period, and in lakhs period this is single digit. Single digit is which digit is here? 3 means 3 lakhs. 80 lakhs plus 3 lakhs equals to 83 lakhs. So now 2 crores 83 lakhs. Now next number, this is 10,000. So in this number how many commas? 1 comma means, and after 1 comma how many digits? 2 digits. If only 1 comma in a number, then how many periods? 2 periods, and second period is 1000 period. Okay, so in 1000 period, 2 place value, that is 10, 10. 2 crores 83 lakhs 10,000. Now next number is plus 8,000. So here also only 1 comma. In this number also 1 comma. Means after 1 comma how many digits? Single digit. And if a number has single digit means 2 periods, and second period is 1000 period, means 8,000. Means 2 crores 83 lakhs 18,000. Now plus 700. 700 is, yes, 700 plus 60. 60 is 60. Means if you add 700 plus 60 means if you add 700 plus 60 equals to 760. Nothing in ones place value. So the correct answer of this part is 2 crores means 2 comma 83 comma 18 comma 760 means 2 crores 83 lakhs 18,760. You all understand? Okay, now I will explain another part. Little bit tricky, but nothing is confusing. You just understand this part. Okay, so this is the third part of this question. Means 4 multiply 1 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 plus 3 multiply 10 comma 00 comma 000 plus 1 into 10. Means this is the question. Now I will explain how to solve this question. Means 4 is multiplied by 1 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000. Means 1 is multiplied by, yes, how many commas in this number? 3, and 3 means 4 period, and after 3 how many digits? Single digit. So in 4th period single digit, 4th period is crores period, and single digit, which digit is here? 1 means 1 crore. So 4 is multiplied by 1 crore. When 4 is multiplied by 1 crore equals to 4 crore. Okay, clear it? Now plus 3 multiply 10 comma 00 comma 000 means 3 is multiplied by how many commas in this number? 2 commas, and after 2 commas how many digits? 2 digits. Which are the digit? 1 and 0, and you all knows after 2 commas how many periods? 3 periods. So in third period is which period? Lakhs period. Okay, so in lakhs period 2 place value, that is lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. Okay, so after 2 commas how many digits? 2 digit, and what are the digits? 1 and 0 means 10 lakhs. Means 3 is multiplied by 10 lakhs. When 3 is multiplied by 10 lakhs equals to 30 lakhs. Means 4 crore plus 30 lakhs. Now plus 1 into 1 0, 1 0, 10. If 1 into 10 equals to 10, then now you see crore, comma, lakhs, you have 2 digits in lakhs, you know that, comma, thousand, you know that. Is any digits in thousands? Nothing in thousand. So what you have to do? You just fix, or you just put 0 in thousands period. And how many place value in thousands period? 2 place values. So you just put 2 zeros in thousand period, means 0 0, comma. Now in ones period, how many place values here? 3 place value, that is ones place value, tens place value, and 100 place values. Okay, any number in 100 place value? Nothing. So again you just put 0. Okay, and in tens place value you have any number? Yes. Which number? 1. So you just put 1. And in ones place value, yes, 0. You just put 0. Okay, so the correct answer of this number is 4, 30, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, means 4 crores 30 lakhs 10. This is the correct answer of these questions. I hope you all understand these questions very well. Okay, now I will give another question in activity time. Okay, so second question, or the next question of this activity is, sorry, this is not the activity. Second question of this practice time. This practice time, write the standard numeral and its number name in the Hindu-Arabic system for the following. Means you have to write down the number in Hindu-Arabic system, and after write down the number in Hindu-Arabic system, then you write down in number. So first part, or A part of this question is 20, 00, 000, 000 plus 4, 00, 000 plus 3, 000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 8. Okay, so the first number is 20, 00, 000, means only 2 commas. 2 commas means 3 periods. So after 2 comma, after second comma, how many digits? 2 digits. And these 2 digits in lakhs period, means which 2 number or which 2 digits in lakhs period? 20, means 20, that is 20 lakhs. Now before 20 lakhs, which number? 4, 00, 000. Here is also 2 commas, and after second comma, single digit. And which digit? In which digit? After this is 4, this digit is 4. And when 2 commas in a number means 3 period, and third period is lakhs period, means 4 in lakhs period. Okay, 4 lakhs. So total is 20 lakhs plus 4 lakhs equals to 24 lakhs. Now 3, 000, 3, 000. Says anything is missing? Yes, one number is missing. Which place value is missing? Before lakhs period, 1000 period, and in 1000 period, 2 place values, 1000 place values and 10,000 place value. So which one is missing? Yes, 10,000 place value is missing. So you just, if any period is missing, then what you have to do? You just put, yes, 0 in that place value. Okay. Now next number is 3,000. So 3,000 means how many commas? Single comma. Single comma means 2 periods, and second period is 1000 period. Now after first comma, how many digits? Single digit. Single digit means 3000. Okay. So 24 lakhs 03. Why 03? Because 3 in 1000 place value and 10,000 place value is missing. That's why we put 0. So 24,03 comma. Now ones period start, and in ones period start with 3 place values: ones place value, tens place value, and 100 place value. So before 3000, which number is 100 plus 10 plus 8. So 100 plus 10 plus 8 equals to 118. Means the correct answer of A part is 24,03,118. And how we can write in number name? We just write 24 means 24. 24 in which period? Lakhs period, means 24 lakhs. 03. Don't write 03. But in 03 in which period? 1000 period. So 24 lakhs 3,118. This is the correct answer. Understand? Very good. Now I will explain the B part of this question. Now the activity time. So first question in this activity time. First question is that write the following in standard form. Yes, that I already teach you in class. So now two question in this, two parts in this question. So first part is 80, 00, 000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. This is the first part. And how you solve it? Very good. I know that you all understand how to solve these types of questions. First see, first number is 8, 00, sorry, not 8, 80, 00, 000, means 2 commas, and after second commas 2 digits. And you all knows when 2 commas in a number means 3 periods, and third period is lakhs period. So 80 lakhs plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. So you see that in this question 80 lakhs, but nothing in lakhs place. So what you have to do? Yes, you just put 0. 8 in 10 lakhs place and nothing in place value, tens place, lakhs place value, so you just put 0. If you write directly 80, that is also correct. But if you write 8 in 10 lakhs place and 0 in lakhs place, this is also correct. Means 80 comma and before lakhs period 1000 place value, 1000 period. Is there any digits in 1000 place, thousands period? Nothing. And how many place value in 1000 period? 2 place value. If nothing is there, what you have to do? You just put 2 more 0, means 0 0, and after 0 0 put another comma, and then which period is left? Ones period. And in ones period 3 place value, that is ones place value, tens place value and 100 place value, and you have 3 numbers, that is 500 plus 10 plus 7. Understand? And now I hope you all clear this question and you all knows the correct answer of this question. Now I will not tell the answer because this is the activity time and you have to do your own way. Okay, now second part is 3 comma not 3 comma 3 multiply 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 5 multiply 1 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 1 multiply 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 6 multiply 1 comma 0 0 0 plus 5 multiply 1 0 plus 5 multiply 1. So same whatever I explained in the class, you have to do same thing here. You just multiply all the numbers, whatever the digit is given. That first digit is 3 multiply 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0. So in this number 3 commas, and 3 commas you all knows, yes, fourth period, and in fourth period this is crores period. And how many digits after third comma? 1 digit, means 1 crore. So 3 is multiplied by 1 crore. When 3 is multiplied by 1 crore, this is 3 crore. Okay, you got it? 3 crore plus 5 multiply 1 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0, means after second comma how many digits? 2 digits. And you all knows if 2 commas means 3 periods and third period is lakhs periods. So in lakhs period how many place value? 2 place values. Okay, so this is 10 lakhs, means 5 is multiplied by 10 lakhs. When 5 multiplied by 10 lakhs, it is 50 lakhs. Okay, plus 1 multiply 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0, means here is also 2 commas, and after second comma 1 number. Okay, and you all knows if 2 commas means 3 period and third period is lakhs period, means 1 lakh, because 1 in lakhs place value, means you just multiply 1 multiply by 1 lakhs. When 1 multiply by 1 lakhs equals to 1 lakh, plus 6 multiply 1 comma 0 0 0, means 6 multiply 1 comma 0 0 0. So in this number single comma means 2 periods and second period is 1000 period, and after 1 comma how many digits? 1 digit, means 1000. So 6 multiply by 1000 plus 5 multiply by 10 is 10, so 5 multiply by 10 equals to 50 plus 5 multiply by 1, 5 multiply by 1 equals to 5. So the correct form of this question is 3 crores, means 3 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 50 lakhs, means 50 comma 00 comma 000 plus 1 lakh, 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 6000 6 comma 0 0 0 plus 5050 50 plus 5. So you all knows crores means 3 commas. So what you have to do? 3 comma 50 lakhs plus 1 lakh. So 50 lakhs plus 1 lakh is 51 lakhs. So 51 comma. Now you see 6000. Which one is missing? Yes. You understand which one is missing? So if that place value is missing, what you have to do? You just put, yes, you just put 0. So 0 and then 1000 place value. Which digit in 1000 place value? You all knows. I will not tell. Then again comma. After that, which one is missing? Yes, 100 place is also missing. And when 100 place is also missing, what you have to do? Good. You just put 0. Then 50 plus 5, 55. Okay? Understand? You know? Very good. Now, second question. Second question is, which of the following option is the correct standard form of 8 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 7 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 6 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 5 comma 0 0 0 plus 2 0 0 plus 9 0 plus 3. Out of, in this question, there are 4 options. 4 options are, first option is 8 comma 07 comma 65 comma 293. Second option is 8 comma 70 comma 65 comma 293. Third option is 80 comma 76 comma 523. And D option is 8 comma 70 comma 65 comma 239. So out of 4 options, you have to find out the correct options. How? I just give a little hint. Okay? So first you check commas. How many commas in your question? How many commas means, how many commas means 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 commas, 4 commas, 5 commas. How many commas in the question? First you see it. So first number is 8 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 means 3 commas, and rest means 7 comma 00 comma 000. Here is only 2 commas. Then 60 comma 000 1 comma, again 5 comma 000, only 1 comma, means in questions 3 commas. So first you check in the options. All the options have 3 commas. First you see first option 8 comma 07 comma 65 comma 293. So in this option 3 commas. Yes, in this option 3 commas. Second option 8 comma 70 comma 65 comma 293. Here is also 3 commas. Very good. So A and B both are applicable. Now check C part. 80 comma 76 comma 523. Here is only 2 commas, means this is not applicable. Okay, now see the D part. 8 comma 70 comma 65 comma 293. D part also 3 commas. So out of 4 options, 3 is applicable. Which one? A part, B part and D part. C part is not applicable because in C part 2 commas. Okay? Now, how you catch? See the right hand side of the number. right hand side number is 3. Now you see you have only 3 options now, because C part is not correct, that's why this is not applicable. Now rest is A part, B part and D part. Okay, so right hand side number is 3 because 3 in ones place. Now see all the numbers. A part, yes, right hand side number is 3, so this is applicable. B part, yes, again 3, this is also applicable. D part 9, this is not applicable. So now you have only two options is left, A option and B options. Okay, now you see that 3 in A option and in B option 3 both have 3 and after this 9 2 comma 5 6 comma now 0 and 7. So if any difference, so difference in lax period, so when you find out that difference in lax period, then what you have to do, you go again in the question and see 8, 00, 00, 000, that is 8 crores, because in this number 3 commas, and we all knows after 3 commas single digit, and 3 commas means 4 period, and 4th period is crores 1, so 8 crore. So 8 both are same. Now lax period. In lax period, see, after 8 crores plus 7 comma 00 000, so here is 2 commas, and after 2 commas how many digits? After 2 commas how many digits? Single digit or double digit? Yes, so you understand which option is correct. So do it very easy way. Okay, and which place is missing, what you have to do, you just put, yes, you just put 0 in that place value, and you all understand which one is the correct answer. Okay, so do it very easy way. Okay students.